Okay, and the next step is the light, and these are the materials we will need. I already kind of grabbed them, so here they are. So let's see, yellow wire and white wire. Here's the wires. And then light bead. These are the light beads. Coppery eyelets. Here, these two right here. Shrink tube, a white and a black. A plate shape lampshade and a bowl shaped lampshade. So those are the materials. So I'm gonna cut this off. So 5, not including the lampshade. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer just in case, and then we can trim it later. Cut it right about here. Okay, and then cut both. Looks like we cut both. Okay, so let's do this one. Cut it right about here. Okay, so we have those two. Trying to remove the wire from the rubber portion. There we go. So just the wire showing. Alright, and then do it on this side, on the yellow wire too. Put the white wire there. So about 1, 2, right about there. There we go. So, okay, and now we take this and we're supposed to wrap it around each of these poles. Okay, so I have these wired. Hopefully they stay this time. Now we're gonna test it. So not sure which side is which. Oh, that's positive. So yellow is positive. And then the white is negative. Okay, so this light looks like it works. So here's the light, here's the battery. Let me rewire the other one, make sure I have it right, and check that one too. But here's one light that works, and then we'll work on the other one. And here's the second light. Might have to wire it a little bit better since it's a little sensitive there. So we'll see if we can fix that. Okay, so I put the black heated shrink tube on here. I'll have to go to a blow dryer and shrink it. But in the meantime, looks like this piece. Let's get the scissor out of here. So this is the light fixture. So it goes this way. No, this way. we'll string this through. Okay, so there's the light. And then the copper piece. Okay, so that goes like that. Here's the inside. Just tighten it a little bit. Okay. Okay. And then the light tube, 26 or 25 of this. So let's see. Okay, so let's see. This piece. So it sits right above this. I'll have to glue it. So we'll leave it for now. Let's see. So it's supposed to look like that. Or the light one. So I'll put this on the side. And then we need just a tiny bit of this. And let's see. There we go. So right there. And then this one. Okay, so I put a tiny hole in here. I hope it's big enough. Let's see if this will fit in here. Let's go like this. So it does stick out a little bit, looks like. But let's see if we can get it tighter. There, so it's gonna be maybe a little too much. Let's see. Okay, so we might have to adjust this later and see if it sticks out too much. Okay, and then, so I fixed it so it just sticks out just a little bit. Now we have to put the coppery eyelet. Set this out of it. Let me grab it. Okay, and then this goes over it. That's the other light right there. So we have this one. So these are the two lights. Here's the one. And then this is the other one. And then we'll glue it down once we know where we're going in case we have to, where we're putting it in case we have to trim it.